Hello everybody, are you ready to create? For today's lesson, we're going to draw our street, or your street. I'm drawing my street and I'm using color pencils. The challenge today is not use a pencil, so we're going to go directly coloring directly with our color pencils. If you don't have any color pencils, you can use something else. I'm just selecting my colors, just the ones I can see from my windows. I've got red bricks outside, so I'm choosing some red and loads of greens. Now I'm going to start by doing a detailed outline of what I can see outside. I'm just concentrating on the lines, on the outline of the houses, of what I can see. I'm not using a pencil, I'm just using the colors directly. Then I'm just coloring in the colors I can see. The windows are painted green, so I'm just doing that. And I'm also going to color in the trees I can see in the background. Now it's more interesting if you mix some different greens rather than just have one green. So I'm mixing different greens there, light and dark. It gives more depth and it looks like there's several trees there, which is nice. So you can see a bit better. My drawing is taking shape already. And really you can squint your eyes and just look at the shapes and the color. I'm going to draw in my sky because that's easy. Sometimes you can do something that's a little bit easy to start with and then get to the harder details. So I'm just coloring in my sky in blue because it's really sunny today. If it's not sunny, don't color it in blue because we're trying to get what your street is like right now. So that's the challenge. Now make sure you really look at your street and the houses you can see. If you can't see any houses where you are, that's okay. You can draw the landscape as well. That would be beautiful. And it's exactly the same exercise. Just you can squint your eyes and look at the colors and the shapes and try to just color them in. So I'm adding everything green that I can see. Now I've got all the details in. All I have to do is add some colors on the houses. They're red brick houses, so I'm using a kind of light brown, and I'm going to use some red as well to color in, and some orange I think to color in the houses. And I'm just really slowly color it in. I've speeded up the video there, but actually I'm doing it really slowly. And there I'm adding some orange. And also if we look at the roofs, it's more of a darker color, so I might use a dark purple for that. The idea is not to use any black or any gray, so we're just using colors and we're making a really bright street scene. So there I'm doing the tiles on the roof with the blue pencils, and so that we're doing a really bright, nice street scene. Again, if you don't see any houses, that's okay. I just want to see where you live, and then you can put in your window and show people, and that'd be really fun. I look forward to seeing them. Bye!